Hello everybody, it's me Bailey here, and today I'm going to be opening this packaging. I opened this packaging on my Musical.ly. It's at iBellis, if you want to see. I got this Galaxy Poo. It smells so good, and it's super slow rising. I'm not taking that off because it rips all the paint off. But I love it, and it's really slow rising. So let's open this. I feel like there's more than one squishy in there. So let's have a look. So I'm just going to cut it out. Oh, I see something. And I think there's more than one squishy. So I got three squishies. I got this unicorn one, and then this little narrow. I don't know if it's Billy or Billy. And then this little funny thing. So let's open them. Oh, this is so adorable, and it's like super wriggly, and it's super jiggly, and it's so adorable. And then we've got this little narrow. Don't really have scent, but that don't matter because I haven't looked yet. And then I'm gonna open this one. Oh, it's a little Galaxy Narwhal. It's so adorable. It's a jumbo one, I think. And then we've got this really jumbo unicorn. So adorable. So I've got it, I can already smell it. Come on, unicorn, baby shine. You want that in there. Come out. So we've got it out now. We've got my Galaxy Poo, my little narwhal, and my little unicorn. This narwhal is so spicy. So I'm just going to smell it. Oh my god, that is so good. This smells like a biscuit, and this. Oh, that smells so good. It smells of like biscuit. It is so good. I forgot of all of these. This one's my favourite. So I'm going to come down the size of the real one now. They're like the same, but I think that one's slightly bigger. But I love this one. Ooh, love it. I in fact love them all the same. Like, yeah. It is so adorable. All of them. So guys, I'm going to go for now. Bye.